For the congruences, this is also very important term. Let a and b be integers and m be a positive integer. We say that a is congruent to b modulo m. This is not different from the previous page. You can see here simply we are using the congruence by relating 941 into the relation, like if a is congruent to b modulo m, it means m divides a minus b. We use the notation this is the symbol of congruence. So if we use this notation, a is congruent to b mod m, it means that m divides a for the remainder b, or m divides a minus b. So this is same. We use the notation a is congruent to b mod m to indicate that a is congruent to b. A is congruent to b modulo m. In other words, you can say that a is congruent to b mod m if and only if a mod m is equal to b mod m. So this is also important because m divides a for the remainder b, or m divides a gives remainder b, or m divides a minus b. So simply you can relate these two terms am and bm in form of a mod m is equal to b mod m. It means that m divides a and gives the remainder, same m divides b gives the remainder, and both should be equal. Here for the congruences, we can see the example. Is it true that 46 is congruent to 68 modulus 11? So here we can say yes, because 11 divides 46 minus 68. So here we can say that 46 is congruent to 68 modulo 11, because here the difference of 46 and 68 will be 22, and 22 is divisible by 11, so 11 divides 46 minus 68. So here this is true for the 46 is congruent to 68 modulo 11. Is it true that 46 is congruent to 68 mod 22? Yes, this is also true because the difference is 22. So here we can say that 22 divides 46 minus 68. For which integers z is it true that z is congruent to 12 modulo 10? So here we can use many integers, like if we use here at the first 12, so here the difference of 12 minus 12 is equal to 0, and the same for 22. For 22, this will be divisible by 10, and same for 32, this will be divisible by 10. So there are many numbers. You can say here 12, 22, 32 in positive directions, and 2, minus 8, minus 18, minus 28 are in negative directions. So there are many numbers we can choose for the statement to be true that z is congruent to 12 mod 10. Let m be a positive integers. The integers a and b are congruent modulo m if and only if there is an integer k such that a is equal to b plus km. For the congruence,